Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World. And today I got one of the baddest watch faces you gotta download. If you don't download this one, something's wrong. All right, now the developer that got down on this one, he goes by the name of Vacuum Tube. The name of the watch face is called Pathways. It's a 24-hour watch face. I'm not sure if this one is still free, but it is definitely worth the look. Now with this watch face, me personally, I can see me dressing up in it depending on the outfit and definitely the color as well, because it's got to tie into what it is that I'm wearing for that day, right? But let's see if this watch face is worth a download to you. All right, so again, the name of the watch face is called Pathways. It's a 12 and a 24-hour watch face based off of your format. But if you look at this watch face in the AOD mode, it looks just as nice as when the watch face is on. I love the design, I love the look, and even when it's on, the watch face really truly stands out. Now you are going to get the best of both worlds. I love the design. I thought the developer definitely deserved 6 thumbs up in the door for the design of this watch face. Now what you're going to get is your battery information over your digital time, and I'm loving the font on that one here. You're going to get your analog time, which looks awesome. It looks luxurious. It looks elegant. Definitely it stands out. And you're going to get the day of the week, your date, and also your month. Now, I like how that is laid out. I like the design of the whole watch face itself. Again, I thought the developer definitely did an awesome job. Now, over here in this wheel, you're going to get your settings. You can get your weather info and also your text messages, and you can go into your contacts as well. And yes, the watch face is inactive. So if I need to go into my settings, I just single tap and I can go into my settings, also my weather, and you can do the same thing for your text messages and your contacts as well. Now, if I tap right here on the date, I can go into my calendar, set an event. Here, I can set my alarm. I mean, this watch face is definitely fully packed, very nice, but check this one out. I'm gonna double tap right there. Now there go my workout mode. I got my step info, heart rate, floors climb, calories burned. I got everything that I need to be ready for if I decide to go ahead and go work out. But tell me people, tell me, what do you think about this watch face? No, you cannot customize the color theme of the watch face. That would have been nice, but that is not a deal breaker at all. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.